This is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, coming to you with an unboxing of Julep. Now this is my, what month is this? This is my March box that just came in. I want to open it with you guys. Okay, of course, as always, Julep always has new products coming out. Press forward. And it is a pressing serum moisturizers. Interesting. Okay. Oh, this time I got their sponge, the konjac sponge. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, next guys, I got this. So you got this. It's a pressed serum daily moisturizer. Then I got, it's another Julep, oh yes, the gel eye glider. I love these eyeliners. So if you give me a minute guys, I'll open everything up and let you see what it looks like. Okay guys, here's the pressed serum daily moisturizer. And then here's the eyeliner. I love these eyeliners that go on so smooth. They last so long. I love these. And then I didn't see these nail stickers in there. And this sponge is an exfoliating sponge, guys. And it comes moist already. It's a wet sponge. And you massage in a circular motion. Can be used with or without cleaner. So I'm really interested in seeing how this does. I was going to take it out the package and show you how it looks. But as you know, it is wet. And I didn't want to take it out too much. But guys, this is my haul from Julep this month. I'm loving my Julep products, guys. So again, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me, saying you guys be blessed.